Hey everybody, Mr. Reen here, and today we're looking at our second story problem that deals with our skateboards here. Similar to the last one, we're looking at which object or objects experience the strongest force when hit. In this case, we have three different skateboards, the red, the brown, and the green. All three skateboards have the same mass as indicated underneath. Each one has a starting velocity and ending velocity after they've been hit, and we have to decide which one experienced the strongest force. So when looking at here, we looking at our first skateboard, our red one had a starting speed of 7 meters per second. After hit, it had a speed of 10 meters per second, so it sped up by 3 meters per second. The brown skateboard had a starting velocity of 0 meters per second and then had an ending velocity after being hit of 3. So it sped up by 3 meters per second as well. And then our green skateboard had a speed of 8 meters per second to start. After it was hit, it had a speed of 4 meters per second. So it slowed down by 4 meters per second. So looking at the starting and ending speed of our three skateboards with the same mass, you need to decide which object or objects experienced the strongest force when hit. Was it the green skateboard, the red skateboard, or the brown skateboard? Take a second, select your answer, and when you're ready, pause the video and unpause it to go over the correct answer. All right, I think we got it. When deciding which of our skateboards experience the strongest force, we need to remember that a stronger force can create a greater change in velocity. Remember, it's not the kind of velocity change that happens, it's the size of the change. So when we're looking at this, each of these two skateboards in the beginning both had 3 meters per second in terms of their velocity change. They both sped up. The green one slowed down by 4 meters per second. So if we're looking at which one had the greater change, that would be the green skateboard. So the answer would be the first one. Just because these two sped up doesn't mean they experienced the strongest force. It is any kind of change in velocity can determine which one is the strongest force, but we have to look at the size of the change. So it's the green one. That's the correct answer. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck with the rest.